Hi, I'm Alan, your Antons Technician. Today we're talking about the SIL-AIR 50 silent air compressor. So the silent air compressor should run for no more than 15 minutes and 15 minutes rest time. You can put your hand on the top to feel any temperature, heat, let it cool down if it's running too long. Oil that goes into this machine is the oil that comes with it via the oil screw on the top. And to check the oil level, there is a sight glass on the side of the machine here, and you can tilt slightly to see where the oil level comes up. It should be perfectly level on the glass. Water and condensation will build up in the tank, and the way to drain that is use an empty container and loosen the tap and drain any moisture out of the tank. This can be done weekly or monthly. It's good to check it every week to make sure that there's no moisture in there. Moisture can also catch in the container here. So to release that, you can twist and unlock the bottom and push up, and that will release any moisture in there. We also have a air filter which is screwed on to the front of the machine. That can be checked for any dirt or dust and replaced if necessary. Both the oil and the filter are spare parts that we carry. That's all. Thank you.